What's the weather like today?
Sunny weather in Seattle after morning clouds.
We'll be back around 11.
Oh. Okay, so watch TV, help yourself to food, maybe don't cook anything.
Oh!
Meet the all-new Kindle Paperwhite. Our thinnest, lightest yet. Now waterproof, with Audible. Plus a sleek, modern design and twice the storage. Kindle Paperwhite is purpose-built for daily escapes, so you can read and relax in more places.
Toward the snowy mountains and streams, though not one was in sight. The landscape is only wavering foothills, roughened here and there with bushes and trees.
Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the 5 best ebook readers you can buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on screen size, build, features, performance, and price. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for a no-frills budget e-reader or a top-of-the-line reader with all the bells and whistles, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the all-new Amazon Kindle. This is our best budget ebook reader. If you love reading and you're looking for an affordable, no-nonsense ebook reader so you can enjoy the latest articles, novels, magazines, or audiobooks when you commute or just hanging out in your hammock, the most affordable Kindle ebook reader may be the best choice for you. Currently priced at $60, the all-new Amazon Kindle is an entry-level ebook reader. But regardless of which Kindle you have, Amazon's library has 6 million books, comics, periodicals, and audiobooks that are available to conveniently download and consume. You'll also get all the same benefits of the Amazon Cloud storage for all your Amazon content. You'll find the 6-inch Kindle is light and compact, making it easy to hold and read for hours. If you're into audiobooks, the Kindle also has Bluetooth built in so you can conveniently listen to your Audible content. You'll be able to adjust the font size to suit your preference. Although the screen resolution isn't as high as the higher-ended Kindles, reading text-based ebooks shouldn't be a problem. But if you prefer to read with smaller font sizes on your screen, or if you're a fan of manga, you may prefer a higher resolution ebook reader like the Kindle Paperwhite, coming up later in this video. The key features are front light. You can read in the dark without straining your eyes. E-ink screen. Glare-free for reading outdoors even under direct sunlight. Screen. 167 ppi, 6-inch display that reads like real paper. Storage. 4 gigabytes of onboard storage. The pros are price. Great entry-level price that's a fraction of the cost of the premium Kindle Oasis. Amazon Library. About 6 million ebooks are available. Performance. It performs quite similar to other Kindles. Battery. Up to 14 hours on a single battery charge. Bluetooth. Listen to your Audible library. And for the cons, screen resolution. Relatively low resolution screen compared to competitors. Not waterproof. If you're looking for a waterproof ebook reader, check out the Kobo Libra H2O coming up later in the video, which can survive up to an hour underwater. If you're looking for an affordable, basic ebook reader without all the bells and whistles, and just want to enjoy the latest articles, novels, magazines, or audiobooks wherever and whenever, the all-new Kindle ebook reader is the cheapest Kindle and may be the best choice for you. Kobo Libra H2O. This is our best waterproof ebook reader. If you're looking for a mid to higher-ended ebook reader but don't want to invest in the premium Kindle Oasis or jump into the Amazon ecosystem, then the Kobo Libra H2O is a feature-packed ebook reader with an affordable price and may be a great option for you. Currently priced at $170, the Kobo Libra H2O offers most of the same features as the Kindle Oasis but is quite a bit cheaper. Both ebook readers have the same 300 dpi 7-inch screen with e-ink technology to reduce glare. They're also both waterproof with IPX8 ratings, so they can withstand immersion in 2 meters of fresh water for up to 60 minutes. The onboard storage is the same at 8 gigabytes, which is about 6,000 ebooks. Kobo has its own ebook store with more than 6 million titles, while Amazon is estimated to have slightly more than that. Overall, books on Kobo tend to cost a little more than on Amazon, which shouldn't come as a huge shock. We're talking about Amazon. A big bonus with the Kobo is the Overdrive integration, which easily enables you to sign up with your local library and check out digital titles in about 12 different countries worldwide. As for Amazon Kindles, you can borrow digital books from public libraries only in the US. Kobo also features great integration with Pocket, a cross-platform service that allows you to save articles on your phone or laptop and read them on your Kobo. The key features are Comfort Light Pro. Adjustable Comfort Light Pro directs light towards the screen while automatically reducing blue light as the day goes on to limit eye strain. Landscape and Portrait Mode. You can choose to read in either mode. E-Ink Carta 7-inch HD screen. Glare-free for reading outdoors even under direct sunlight. The pros are physical page turn buttons. Kobo Store. Over 6 million books available. Waterproof. IPX8 rating. Compatibility. Can read 14 file formats supported natively. No ads. No advertising. No interruptions. And for the cons, no audiobooks. Doesn't support audiobooks. Design. Chunky. The plastic body feels cheap when compared to the high-quality feel of the Oasis aluminum chassis. Fun fact, Kobo is an anagram of book. The Kobo Libra H2O is a great alternative for the Kindle Oasis. If you don't want to be on the Amazon ecosystem, then the Libra offers most of the same features and performances of the Kindle Oasis at about $100 less. It's premium, just without the premium price. The Kindle Oasis. This is our best premium ebook reader. If you're looking for a premium ebook reader with all the bells and whistles, then the top-of-the-line Kindle Oasis is a great option, especially if you're upgrading or already in the Kindle ecosystem. Currently priced at $280, the premium Kindle Oasis offers build, performance, and features not found on most ebook readers. You'll love the aluminum chassis and how it clearly feels more premium. It looks very sleek and super smooth to the touch, more in the line of high-end tablets as opposed to an e-reader. Although it shares the same screen specs as the Kobo Libra H2O, the Oasis has both a front-lit display and a color temperature system to mute the bright white screen. It has 25 LED lights total, while the Kobo has only 19. The additional lights help distribute light more evenly on the screen for a better reading experience. Oasis has both warm and cool light temperature settings. There's a little slider right under the brightness setting, and by dragging a finger left to right, you can adjust the color tone incrementally from cool to warm to better suit day or night reading. You'll also find the warm setting actually creates the illusion of flipping through old pages in a book. If you're craving a bit of nostalgia, this feature really dials in the comfort of that feeling, making it look just like real paper. One of the main features missing from the Kobo is the ability to listen to audiobooks. Here, the Oasis goes one step further. If you're using Audible, you can switch seamlessly between reading and listening on your Bluetooth speakers or headphones. You can read if you want, and when it's not convenient, or if you're on the go, you can just choose to listen to your audiobooks. The key features are design, aluminum chassis, and all-around great build. Screen, e-ink Carta 7-inch HD screen with 300 pixels per inch. WhisperSync, seamlessly switch between reading and listening on your Kindle. The pros are backlighting, adjustable backlight, Bluetooth, listen to your Audible library, Amazon Library, about 6 million ebooks are available, waterproof, IPX8 rating, Storage. The base storage is 8 gigabytes with the option for a 32 gigabyte model with LTE. And for the cons, expensive. No USB Type-C port. Disappointing for a premium device. The Kindle Oasis is for people who are seeking a first-class reading experience. If you're an e-reading aficionado and want the best Kindle available and money is not an issue, then you'll not be disappointed with the Kindle Oasis. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now. So if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.